Okay. So what should we expect from you today?
God bless you all for coming to support us, and we want you to support us so that we can win this contest.
Okay, please clap for them. Susanna Wesley.
My name is Keja Emanuela. I'm in Basic 6.
My name is Ade Pokria Franklina. I'm in Basic 6.
Okay. Any motivational word?
We are pleading on the behalf of our teachers and colleagues to support us.
Okay. So these are our contestants for the quarterfinal stage, contest 2. Without wasting much time, let's go through the rules for this quiz. In this contest, you have 3 interesting rounds. Round 1, round 2, and round 3. Round 1 contains questions from both science and maths, which is the fundamentals. Then we have round 2, which is the speed race, and round 3. Okay, sorry, it's rather 4 rounds, not 3. So round 1 is the fundamentals, round 2, speed race, round 3 is the problem of the day, and round 4 is true or false. So in round 1, questions are transferable, okay? You have 30 seconds to answer a major question and 10 seconds to answer a transferred question. So, are you all okay? Okay, so modern breed Montessori. You are taking the first question for this contest. Modern breed, okay. Preamble to all schools. Change or convert the following into mixed fraction. You are converting the following into mixed fraction. Modern breed Montessori. 7 whole number, 3 on 8. 7 whole number, 3 on 8.
$59 is to 8.
Come again.
59 is to 8.
Susanna Wesley.
59 on 8.
Aguna Presbyterian.
59 over 8.
59 over 8, and that's plus 1. You had to say it in a fraction form, not in a ratio form. Okay. Aguna Presbyterian, your major question. 12 whole number, 6 on 7. 12 whole number, 6 on 7.
$90 over 7.
That is correct. Susanna Wesley. 32 whole number, 1 over 3. 32 whole number, 1 over 3.
$100 over 3.
No. Your time is not yet up, so.
97 over 3.
That is correct. When your time is not yet up, don't ring the bell. Don't press the bell, okay? Now to the second set of questions. You still have 30 seconds to answer. Preamble to all schools. Find the value of y in the following. Find the value of y in the following. Modern bridge. 7 on 13 is equal to y over 52. 7 on 13 is equal to y over 52.
Y equals to 3.
Come again.
Y equals to 3.
No.
Y equals to 4.
No. Aguna Presbyterian.
Y equals 28.
Plus 1. That's correct. Aguna Presbyterian. Your major question. 3y minus 5 is equal to 5y plus 6. 3y minus 5 is equal to 5y plus 6.
Two y plus 11.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Time up. The correct answer is y is equal to negative 5. Susanna Wesley, your major question. 3, bracket opened, y minus 2, bracket closed, is equal to y plus 8. 3, bracket opened, y minus 2, bracket closed, is equal to y plus 8. Time up. Bonus. Aguna Presbyterian.
Y equals 1.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is y is equal to 7. If you get a bonus question wrong, it's minus 1. So take note. In this set of questions, in the next set of questions, you have 15 seconds to answer. And you have only one attempt. No bonus. Questions are not transferable. Preamble to all schools. You have been provided with the following kinds of plants: erect plants, climbing plants, and creeping plants. Which of the following kinds of plants does the following plants belong to? You have been provided with the following kinds of plants: erect plants, climbing plants, and creeping plants. Which of the following kinds of plants does the following plants belong to? Modern bridge, watermelon.
Creeping plant.
That's correct. Aguna Presbyterian, coconut.
Erect plant.
That's correct. Susanna Wesley, yam.
Climbing plants.
That's correct. In this set of questions, you still have 15 seconds to answer. Questions can be transferred. Modern braid Montessori. A fish cannot survive on land Because
It doesn't have adaptive features to live on land.
no. I want you to mention the exact adaptive feature. Okay, bonus. Time up. The answer is it has no lung for breathing on land. It has no lung for breathing on land. Aguna Presbyterian. A bird cannot live underwater because a bird cannot live underwater because
Bird doesn't have gills.
bonus.
Because they does not have fins and gills to swim in water.
Okay. Wait for me to call you or mention the name of your school before you answer a bonus question. The correct answer is it cannot breathe underwater. You said it does not have gills to do what? Susanna Wesley, your major question. Plants that grow in deserts have what structure to help them store water? Plants that grow in deserts have what structure to help them store water? Time up. Bonus. Modern bridge.
Spines.
Come again.
Spines.
-1. The answer is stem or leaves. In the next set of questions, you have 30 seconds to answer. Preamble to all schools. Use the rule y is equal to 5x plus 1 to find the values of y when x is equal to the following numbers. Use the rule y is equal to 5x plus 1 to find the values of y when x is equal to the following numbers. Modern bridge. When x is equal to 7.
Y equals to 36.
That is correct. Aguna Presbyterian. When x is equal to -2.
-9.
That is correct. Susanna Wesley. When x is equal to 9.
Y is equal to 46.
That is correct. In the next set of questions, you have 15 seconds to answer. Modern bridge. What celestial body is at the center of our solar system?
Sun.
That is correct. Aguna Presbyterian Primary. What celestial object orbits the sun once every 365 days?
The Earth.
That is correct. Susanna Wesley. What celestial object is a natural satellite of the Earth?
Moon.
That is correct. This brings us to the end of round 1. At the end of the first round, which is round 1, Modern Bridge Montessori had 10 points. Aguna Presbyterian Primary had 15 points. And Susanna Wesley Methodist had 12 points. Now to the second round of the contest, which is round 2. The round 2 is speed race. In this round, questions are not given to you as a major question, but rather when I read the question and you know the answer, just press the bell and wait for me to mention. If you are the first school to press your bell and you answer the question given to you correctly, you get 3 points. But if you get it wrong, it's -1. And if you are the second school to answer, in case the first school couldn't answer the question and you ring the bell, the second school to press the bell, if you get it correct, you get 2 points. But if you get it wrong, you get just it's -1, sorry. And if you are the third school to press the bell, in case the first and the second school didn't get the question correct, and you answer it correctly, you get just a point. And if you get it wrong, it's -1. Are you okay? Now, starting from Aguna Presbyterian Primary, your first question: the elliptical path or route that a planet, moon, or satellite follows as it moves around another body in space is called Modern Bridge.
Orbit.
Come again.
Orbit.
That is correct for 3 points. Plants lose water. Plants lose water through tiny pores in their leaves called Modern Bridge.
Stomata.
That is correct for 3 points. Kofi and Asante. Modern Bridge, press your bell. Okay. Aguna. Susanna Wesley. Okay. Kofi and Asante wash their school uniforms at the same time of the day. Kofi dried his uniform in sun, whilst Asante dried his in the room. It was observed after 30 minutes that Kofi's uniform has dried faster. Explain why Kofi's uniform dried faster than Asante. Kofi and Asante washed their school uniforms at the same time of the day. Kofi dried his uniform in sun, whilst Asante dried his in the room. It was observed after 30 minutes that Kofi's uniform has dried faster. Explain why Kofi's uniform dried faster than Asante. Modern Bridge.
Because the sun's heated the wash clothes.
Okay, that is correct. Simplify. Simplify. 2 on 3 times one whole number, 4 on 5. Simplify 2 on 3 times one whole number, 4 on 5. Modern bridge.
One whole number, 1/5.
That is correct. What is the 10th term of the pattern? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What is the 10th term? Modern bridge.
20.
That is correct. A queer has 30 eggs. 11 of them got broken. How many eggs are left? Aguna Presbyterian School.
19.
19, that's correct. Round off 7.564 to the nearest tenths. 7.564 to the nearest tenths. Susanna Wesley.
7.6.
That is correct. Name the 2 enzymes found in the stomach. The 2 enzymes found in the stomach. Modern bridge.
Renin and pepsin enzyme.
That is correct. What is the difference between cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals in terms of body temperature? What is the difference? Modern bridge.
Cold-blooded animals need a warm place, and a warm-blooded animal needs a cold place.
No. -1. Aguna and Susanna Wesley, you can still press your bell. Okay, time up. The answer is cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals' temperature changes with the surrounding, and warm-blooded animals' temperature stays the same or remains constant or does not change with surroundings. Find the LCM of 15 and 18. The LCM of 15 and 18. Susanna Wesley.
3.
-1. Time up. The answer is 90. Now to the last question for round 2. What is the place of 6 in 5, 6, 1, 8, 7, 3, 0, 4? What is the place of 6 in 5, 6, 1, 8, 7, 3? Modern bridge.
Millions.
That is correct. That brings us to the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Modern Bridge Montessori had 20 points. Agona Presbyterian Primary had 2 points. And Susanna Wesley had 4 points. Now to the problem of the day. In this round, which is the third round of the contest, you have 3 minutes to answer. Write the names of your school on top of the paper given to you. Now put your pens down. The problem of the day for today's contest is, given A is equal to 2, B is equal to -5, and C is equal to 4. Evaluate 7 minus, brackets opened, B plus A, brackets closed, brackets open again, C minus -6, close brackets. Start work. Which is round 4. And in this round contains Agona Presbyterian Primary. You are taking the first question for this round. Plants, animals, and humans are the abiotic components of the ecosystem. True or false?
False.
Come again.
False.
That's correct. Susanna Wesley. Decomposers break down dead plants and animals. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Modern Bridge. Human activities can disrupt ecosystem. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Agona Presbyterian Primary. Grassland is an aquatic habitat. True or false?
False.
That's correct. Susanna Wesley. Habitat enables an organism to live successfully in a particular environment. True or false? Habitat enables an organism to live successfully in a particular environment. True or false?
True.
-1. Modern Bridge. The frog is a prey of the grasshopper. True or false?
True.
-1. It's a false statement. Agona Presbyterian Primary. The sixth term of the pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 is 12. True or false?
True.
Come again.
True.
That's correct. Susanna Wesley. 7. Bracket opened. 4x minus 3. Brackets closed. Is an equation. True or false?
False.
That's correct. Modern Bridge. The square of 11 is 121. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Agona Presbyterian. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. True or false?
False.
-1. Susanna Wesley. Carbon dioxide is the gas that plants release during photosynthesis. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Modern Bridge. Carbon dioxide is lighter than oxygen. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Agona Presbyterian. If 16m plus 4 is equal to 36, then m is equal to 3. True or false? If 16m plus 4 is equal to 36, then m is equal to 3. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Susanna Wesley. Thrice a number plus 4 is 10. Therefore, the number is 2. True or false? Thrice a number plus 4 is 10. Therefore, the number is 2. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Modern Bridge. The difference between two numbers is 44. If the smaller number which was subtracted from the bigger one is 12, then the bigger number is 56. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Now to the last set of questions for the last round. Agona Presbyterian Primary. 0.1 is greater than 0.089. True or false? 0.1 is greater than 0.089. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Susanna Wesley. 33.346 is greater than 3.3346. 33.346 is greater than 3.3346. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Modern Bridge. 0.9999 is less than 1.01. 0.9999 is less than 1.01. True or false?
False.
-1. That brings us to the end of the contest. Please let's clap for our contestants. At the end of the third round, which was the problem of the day, Modern Bridge had 0 points.